Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. Welcome to our daily coronavirus update and its influence on financial markets. Yesterday, we've seen the most deadliest day for the UK in terms of coronavirus death. And of course, the situation was very much similar over in New York and in Berlin as well. Now, with respect to the equity markets, investors are still pretty much not paying much attention to this negative element. In fact, what they're looking for is they're paying more attention to the policymakers and how they are drawing up their plans to end the current lockdown. And this is why we've seen a positive close over in the US, and then the momentum kind of shifted over in Asia, where most of the Asian markets close to the upside as well, and a similar momentum is feeding into the European markets today as well, where all CAC, FTSE and IBEX, Stock 600, Stocks 50, all of these major indices are trading once again to the upside. When it comes to the volatility index, the VIX index, which measures the volatility for the S&P 500 index, is still very much above that critical level of 40. If the index drops below the level of 30, not 40, 30, right? Because right now it is above 43. If it drops below 30, then you can see that, okay, we are somewhat out of the woods. But as long as the index maintains its level above 40, I think there is still enormous amount of a qualm with respect to the current momentum that we are seeing for the equity markets. But for now, I think the Nasdaq index is of course the most strongest index over in Europe, over in the United States, and in Europe there isn't any index which really stands out, because pretty much all indices are not performing as good as the US indices. And this leads me to believe that the US market perhaps remains the safest choice for investors with respect to their capital deployment. As for the commodity market, keep an eye on the OPEC Plus meeting. They are going to take the stage at 1600. Of course, the influence of coronavirus, the meeting is all about this. And then how big, and if any production cut is, if we're going to see, that is the question which can be answered by paying attention to this particular meeting. Remember to tune in at 1600 UK time when OPEC Plus will announce its decision on its oil production. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. See you guys tomorrow.